Q187 mathematics. In this video, we are to find the largest square that is a factor of 10 factorial. Right, okay, let's begin. So we start with what a factorial is. Factorial is basically the product of a positive integer and its reduced factors. So n factorial is the same as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 up to n times 1 times n minus 1 times n. Right, so that is the definition of a factorial. Now we are looking at 10 factorial, the largest factor, which is a square. Okay, so 10 factorial would then be when we reduce the positive integer to 1 and then we find the product, that is the factorial. So that would be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 8 9 and then 10. Right, so let's look at something here. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. This one, this will give us 6 factorial times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10. So now let's look at this. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 times 10. So we are going to have 6 factorial times 7 times 7, 20. But 6 factorial is equal to 720, which means that we can replace this one to 6 factorial times 7 times 6 factorial. So we are going to have 6 factorial all squared times 7. So if we are looking for the largest factor of 10 factorial, which is square, then it's going to be 6 factorial all squared. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.